No time and money to go for spa, but want a cost-effective massage? Or you want to change your vehicle with this hoverboard and want a relaxing massage at home? If yes, then stay on this video. What's up guys, we back with another video for you. Video is full of amazing gadgets, so let's start it. Our first gadget is Unagi scooter. With this changing world, transportation also changes and companies made some futuristic vehicles. Unagi scooter is one of them, which is famous for its unique design. A zero-emission scooter that is able to travel long distance on a single charge, tackles hills with ease and smooth over rough road surfaces. Made from lightweight exotic materials including aluminium, magnesium and carbon, reach 24 kph speed in just only 4.4 seconds with a top speed of 32.2 km per hour. Now our next gadget is Circulo table lamp. Circulo is a unique floating switch table lamp which increases the beauty of your room. It is designed to simple but special. To turn on the light, simply tap on the metal ball which is floating in the middle of the levitating lamp, which makes it totally different concept. This small piece ball control all of its function. Also it can fit easily in less space like on your desk. Its beauty get double with its RGB lights. You can choose over a range of switches like disco, planet and other. Now our next gadget is Elo Hot Stone Therapy, a group of 7 different size stones which is created to relax and calm your body and mind. This gadget made it easy to get hot stone therapy on your own. With this, you get a pro-grade muscle recovery and pain relief anytime. These 7 heavy volcanic Elo stones heat up to 130 Fahrenheit and release wetting warmth into muscles slowly. You can also diffuse your favorite calming essential oils blend with built-in diffuser. You can get an option of choosing ambient lights to set your mood. Also it is 100% natural, cost effective with unlimited usage. Arca board. If you want to ride above, then this Arca board helps you. Arca board is an electrical commercial hoverboard developed by Arca Space Corporation, designed for entertainment purposes. Powered by 36 electric ducted fans, is capable of transporting a person who weighs under 110 kg and has an endurance up to 6 minutes. It gives you a completely different ride, and due to built-in stabilization, it is stable in any condition. Roccat Sync Pro headset. Guys, if you are looking for a cool gaming headset, then this new gaming headset is only for you. Roccat recently launched its Wireless Sync Pro Air gaming headset. Comes with 2-speak high sensitivity microphone to ensure you are heard clearly by anyone. You get powerful 3D audio experience with long-lasting battery and rapid charge feature. Gives you a massive gaming experience. Roccat gives its signature bionic shell design. After using, it does not feel heavy because of its design and lightweight. Hello Falls. If you want something awesome decorative for your room or house, then look at this Hello Falls. It brings the magic of nature inside your home. It has not only a photo of water mountain, but there is a built-in speakers too. Gives you light modes and works like lamp that can calm your mind and set your mood. StarCraft Proto Spiral USB charger, a unique and cool charger for your phone. It looks like a power stone that gives life to your phone. You can use it at a night lamp, but it is a very stylish way to charge a phone. Guys, if you like those gadgets, please like this video, and want more gadgets, then subscribe our channel. Also you can watch related videos from here. Thanks for watching.